Hey everybody, welcome. I just want to do a quick tutorial on how to use ChatGPT, how to get here, how to use it, and talk about it a little bit. Before we get into that, just like you'd ask to please subscribe to my channel, please share, please do anything, and let's just hop right in. Thank you. So ChatGPT, it is a AI large language model by OpenAI. They are a big company. They make a lot of money. This, I think, from it's already surpassed like Instagram and like total revenue or something like that, or total users or something like that. Anyway, so it's a chatbot. It's trained on billions and billions and billions of parameters, so it's like an input-output machine, just really fancy, giving weights to, it just gives weights based on your inputs to probable answers, and it's farming us every single day, farming our answers, our feedback, whatever, so that it could just generate better answers for us. So every day, ChatGPT is getting better, and other large language models are getting better, so it's just like a really good platform to use. You should be using it. You should be practicing. AI is going to be a part of, it's going to get into everything, so I really want to encourage people to get into it. So this is the free version, 3.5. I'm going to show you how to get here real quick. So essentially, just open up the google.com and then you type in ChatGPT. Once you type ChatGPT in, you'll get chat OpenAI, and it's a chat.openai.com. That's the website, just make sure you know. So then I got another incognito tab over here just to show me logged out, just so you can kind of see it. And so we're here. You just want to sign up. You can use like a Google account or a Microsoft account or an Apple account, or I mean, I think it used to be like a Facebook tab or something. I'm not sure actually, but yeah, you just pretty much punch in an email, get verified, and then you pretty much you are good to go. Okay, so now you're here at ChatGPT. So you have a little sidebar with your name or whatever for a friend or something like that, and other stuff. You'll have 3.5 and 4 if you're a plus, and then that comes with a lot of other plugins. I can make videos about that, which I probably will soon, to talk a little bit more in depth about the different options and stuff that are available to users and stuff like that. But basically, you're essentially just going to ask a question. So how I'd recommend is you use it is just talk to it like it's one of your buddies. Hey, what's up? How you doing? Oh, cool. That's cool. And just keep chatting with it. What? I don't know. Like, this is kind of nice because I don't know what to talk to it about. And then, just whatever. Just talk to it, see how it responds, ask it questions like, right, you know what I mean? Just so you can just ask it questions and just use it, just try to use it every day. Just try to talk to it. Just try to see how it responds, how you can tailor yourself. Like, it's going to help you a lot if you use like capitalization, punctuation. Don't use a lot of slang unless you provide context, or it knows a lot of slang, but just try to use basic, concise, simple, clear speech and stuff like that, and then you'll get decent output. So you could do things too, like I can't think of it off the top of my head, so I'll just explain the concept, as I'm having a hard time drawing examples right now. I didn't have any prepared for this. I just kind of wanted to go over a basic overview, but it's already getting a little nuanced here. So if you don't like an output based on an input, so if you ask it a question a certain way and you don't quite like it, ask the same question, but just use different words and see how it changes the answer. You could do stuff like that. You can ask it to help you ask better, stuff like that. I don't know. There's a lot of little different strategies and stuff that you'll develop just by using it. So just get it. Use it whatever you can. Try to have it like help you with homework. Try to have it help you with your job. Have it try to help you with like debating your friends. Have it help you with challenging questions. Have it explain concepts to you. Like read something. Like I don't know. Like I've had lots of success with this ChatGPT. And then if you like 3.5, I definitely recommend you getting ChatGPT Plus for $20. You can get ChatGPT 4 plus a million other plugins and all this other stuff. But just simply upgrading from 3.5 to 4, there is a very, 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 very relevant difference. It has a lot more like creative capability. It has a lot more logic to it. It can answer a lot more complex questions and give you a lot better feedback and stuff like that. So I do recommend just getting that, but that's for another day. We'll jump into that in another video. But so like just understand that 3.5 has limitations. So how I use AI effectively is, I learn to use it, learn to ask it questions, and then once I get answers to things, especially if it's not that important, don't worry about it. But if it's like kind of an important question, like a medical question or something like that, use ChatGPT to point you in the right direction, but then go verify it with like a professional, or verify it on the internet. Just double check from a alternate source and see if they line up. That's very, very important. Because you don't want to ever get caught in the trap where it's too comfortable. It's because a lot of the times it is just like trying to predict text. So like I've seen a lot of articles talk crap about ChatGPT saying like it's the best bullshitter, no demand, blah 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 blah. No, it's trying to give you correct answers. It's weighted to give you correct answers. Like it is doing its best. Sometimes the answer is just wrong. It's not bullshitting you though. I feel like that's said in such bad faith. But that being said, that does conclude this quick tutorial on how to the quick overview of ChatGPT. I hope this was a little bit helpful. I know I didn't have like a lot of examples or stuff fired up, but there's really not too much to the basics. It's just a little tip, little advice, and this is just what we're going to go with just for this video. I will create more different videos on like strategizing and using it in other ways. Those will come later. This is like a very basic, super basic intro course, and I just hope it was useful. Just get ChatGPT and start creating. Have a great day.